This video is on voice recordings, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. First is through GarageBand. To start a new recording, tap the plus button in the top right corner. Then go to the audio recorder, which looks like this, and then tap on voice. First thing you need to do is tap this plus button over here. And where it says section A, 8 bars, just tap that and then hit automatic. This way it'll record as long as you need to actually record. After that, just hit this blue button to turn the metronome off so you don't have a clicking sound, and then hit the red record button. From there, you'll just be able to record any audio that you need to record. You could use this to record instructions for students or for really anything else that you want to record. When you're finished, just hit the stop button. To export this, you will need to hit the button in the top left corner, which will take you back to your projects. Tap and hold your song, hit share, hit song, and then click share. To get it out of GarageBand, there's one extra step you have to take. You have to actually hit open in. It'll export. Then you can scroll and find copy to Schoology. From here you can add it to your resources and then add it to whatever course you need to after that. Another method of recording your voice is just to use the Voice Memos app. Open up the Voice Memos, tap the red button, and then you can immediately start recording. When finished, hit done. To share, tap the share button. And copy to Schoology.